Okay, welcome to another edition of Rod's Random Reviews. We're talking about blenders eyewear, and when you get them, they come in a nice little box like this. You'll see the case, the other pouch they come in just a minute. But when you get them, you open it up and you get some nice stickers, for your computer, for your ice chest or something like that. But for the price, I'm really liking these smoke polarized blenders. You see Deion Sanders wearing something like this. So here's how they look, folks. Pride. Prime time. Now, if you go and, Microsoft Bing or Google blenders, be sure you say eyewear sunglasses, because if you just Google blenders, you're going to get Walmart blenders and that sort of thing. So blenders eyewear sunglasses, you're going to see they are all over the map. You've got your prime, black, and you'll see the various places that they are sold. So after you do that, if you did not get a blenderseyewear.com link, then you're missing. And then, of course, do things like type in your email address to get 15% off and that sort of thing. But so this is welcome me back. I can pre-order these new ones. So I want to go to sunglasses, maybe men, and you can see the various sharp-looking sunglasses they have here. So, like a lot of different sunglass websites, you can start classifying, what color you want. Maybe you want gray, and then the list goes on and on. But in any event, I'm really loving these blenders. You can see they have for snow, custom, etc. Deion Sanders has his own brand of blenders, so that he's kind of made them famous. He's buying them for everybody. But there you have it, folks. They feel real rugged and tight. I could actually play golf in these if I wanted to and not really have an issue of them sliding off. You get some cool stickers, and there you have it, folks. $49, $59. You've got some polarized, very nice sunglasses. Probably in the category of of Ray-Bans, Oakleys, you know, a little less than that, but still for the money, you can get some sharp looking sunglasses. Thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. If you have a pair of Deion Sanders Primetime sunglasses, please comment below and let us know how you're liking them.